Hi, I'm Sam and I make videos on fashion, travel, and lazy girl beauty. So you know I'm gonna pick an easy self-tanner if I even bother with one. Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops are actually really straightforward and simple to use. You just put some drops into a moisturizer that you already have, so it's also fully customizable. I am going to show you in this video how I use these drops, and I'm also going to show you, of course, a before and an after. If you like this video, I would appreciate it so much if you took the time to subscribe to my channel. It honestly means the world to me. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I just wanted to bring you guys in a little bit closer so I could show you better, but what I do, I just take, obviously the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops, and then I add it to my face moisturizer just when I'm doing my face. This is my favorite face moisturizer. I know it's really expensive. I find that it works really well, and it's kind of like the thing that I splurge on. So all you have to do is just take your moisturizer that you would. So normally that's how much I would use on my face of this product. And then you just have to take the drops and you can just add them in. So I normally do 3 drops on my face. So I've just got 3 drops there, push it around in my hands, spread them together, and then just apply like you normally would your moisturizer. And then you're good to go. For quite a long time, actually, my face was the only place that I used this tanner. One of the things with being proactive and caring about your skin and using a lot of SPF is that I find my face tends to be way more pale than the rest of my body. Ombre is really cute in your hair, but on yourself, I just try and get a more consistent color by using this product. And that is one of the reasons why I like the drops, just because they are so customizable. So I can use as little or as much as I want, depending on how tanned I am for the rest of my body and where things are at in the summer. So I'd say this is a very clear indicator of where I like to spend money versus where I like to save money. I just find it's more economical to get something a little bit cheaper, and it doesn't really matter to your end result anyways. Just the same way that I did on my face, you pump out. I usually do 2 or 3 pumps. I'm gonna add 4 drops of this just because I do have 3, 4. You can see there it is, and you just push them both together, mix it around in your hands, and then you are ready to apply. Normally I would do this naked, just wearing a bathing suit for YouTube. If you can apply moisturizer, which I'm sure all of you are more than capable of doing, you are going to be able to apply this just fine. That's the one thing that I do like. It is pretty forgiving. I am going to go off camera, take off my bathing suit, and then apply this all over. And then I will come back and show you guys the results of how it looks after it sits on the skin.
One eternity later.
And I'm back. So it's been about 5 or 6 hours now. I let the tan develop, and then I had a quick shower, washed all of it off, did my hair, and now I'm back to show you guys what it looks like. I've been using Isle of Paradise Tan on and off for about the past year. I really do enjoy it as a product, and I would recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a self-tanner and maybe are a beginner like me. Personally, I do really want to try the tanning water. I'm super intrigued by that, and I would love to try it out. So let me know in the comments if any of you want to see that, and I would love an excuse to purchase it and then do a review on here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!